Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best tradable Forex brokers. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. A Forex broker, also known as a retail Forex broker or currency trading broker, in modern financial and commercial trading, means an intermediary party that buys and sells a specific asset or set of assets for a commission. In the past, foreign exchange was traded on the interbank market by larger clients such as importers, exporters, banks, and multinational corporations who need to trade currencies for commercial purposes and hedge against international currency risks. Today, many modern individual traders and investors are involved with retail Forex. To this end, retail Forex brokers typically allow traders to set up an account with a limited amount of assets and let them trade online through internet-based trading platforms. Most trading is done via the spot currency market, though some brokers deal in derivative products such as futures and options. Forex trading has been popularized among individual traders because brokers have offered them the chance to trade with margin accounts. Traders who are searching for a list of some of the best tradable Forex brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best tradable Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Dukascopy. Dukascopy is an online fully regulated financial broker located in Geneva, Switzerland, with operating offices in Zurich, Riga, Hong Kong, Kiev, Moscow, and Kuala Lumpur. Regulated by the Swiss Ministry of Finance, Dukascopy offers services and specializes in trading through Forex, indices, stocks, bonds, energies, commodities, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Available platforms are featured on the JForex and MetaTrader 4 platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts are available on LiveFX, current Swiss Bank, and Gold accounts, which are available in both live and demo accounts, with a variety of available account options for general Forex, binary options, and other trading. Dukascopy's accounts are tailored specifically to different types of trading and investment activity. Dukascopy also provides their very own learning center, which features beginner educational video tutorials that delve into topics such as platform functionality, various how-to guides, webinars you can sign up to, market news and analysis panels, as well as a large repository of written trading articles for you to browse through if you are looking for more trading education and to expand your knowledge with Dukascopy. At number 4 on our list is Saxo Bank. Saxo Bank is a globally regulated multi-asset class broker which offers traders the option to trade on more than 40,000 instruments. Regulated in 15 jurisdictions, including authorization from the UK Financial Conduct Authority, the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, the Financial Services Agency of Japan, and many more. Specializing in Forex, futures, CFDs, commodities, Forex options, listed options, cryptocurrencies, and more. Available platforms are featured on the Saxo Go and Saxo Pro trading platforms, with access to third-party tools and APIs, which are supported as a web-based browser application and on Windows, Android, and iOS operating systems. Their accounts are available on Demo, Saxo, Corporate and Professional accounts, with Classic, Platinum and VIP tiers, which provide 24 hours a day, 5 days a week customer support services, lower prices, access to over 40,000 instruments, and more. Saxo Bank also provides their very own educational center, which delves into various trading topics, such as how-to video tutorials, their featured market call podcasts, webinars you can sign up to or watch on demand, a selection of written educational content that covers risk management, the psychology of trading, as well as courses in the financial markets for you to browse through if you are searching for any additional educational content with Saxo Bank. Coming in at number 3, we have Interactive Brokers. Interactive Brokers is an online financial broker that was founded in 1978 and is regulated by multiple financial authorities, including the UK's Financial Conduct Authority and the US Securities and Exchange Commission. Interactive Brokers offers sophisticated trading technology and specializes in trading through stocks, options, futures, forex, precious metals, bonds, and more. Platforms are available on Interactive Brokers' client portal web application, their very own trader workstation platform, IBKR mobile application with featured APIs, and are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Interactive Brokers offers a wide variety of account options to suit the needs of any trader, from individual, joint, and family accounts to small business accounts, advisors accounts, and more. Interactive Brokers also features their very own Traders Academy, which covers beginner, intermediate, and advanced trading courses, a Traders Insight panel, a variety of short educational videos, webinars that you can sign up to or watch on demand, and more if you are looking for any additional education with Interactive Brokers. At number 2 on our list is Tastyworks. Tastyworks is an American stockbroker that was launched in 2017. The broker offers multiple accounts, ranging from individual and joint trading accounts to retirement accounts and trusts. You can trade a variety of cryptocurrencies, commodities, stocks, indices, options, and futures, and no minimum deposit is initially required to open an account with them. Featured Platform is available on the Tastyworks proprietary trading platform, which comes with a variety of built-in analysis tools, a dedicated feed with trading insights, and live stream videos. Their trading platform is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems, and can be used as a browser web trader. The Tastyworks application will provide you with access to plenty of videos on trading strategies and concepts, research techniques, market movements, and more. Tastyworks offers several flexible accounts. You can open an individual trading account, a joint trading account, one of many retirement accounts, a corporate account, or a trust account. They also offer an account package for active retail traders called The Works. And this is an individual margin account that can be used to trade stocks, commodities, options, indices, crypto, and futures. The broker also provides more in-depth trading guides and courses for beginners, and you can check out the Tasty Trade website, where you will find plenty of educational resources, podcasts, webinars, live streams, and more. If you are searching for any additional educational resources with Tastyworks. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best tradable forex brokers, we have TD Ameritrade. TD Ameritrade is an all-in-one, multi-purpose American forex and stock broker that was founded in 1975, specializing in a wide range of stocks, forex pairs, bonds, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, options and futures. Platforms are available on the classic web platform, the next generation web platform, the TD Ameritrade mobile application, or the Think or Swim platforms, which are all supported on desktop, Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. With TD Ameritrade, you can open standard trading accounts, retirement accounts, education accounts, business accounts, and margin trading accounts. No minimum deposit is required to open any of these standard accounts, and they provide individual trusts and pension plans, and business partnership or sole proprietorship plans. TD Ameritrade provides educational resources on how to learn and manage your personal finances, how to invest, as well as how to plan and save for your retirement. There are plenty of videos and articles that you can use to learn the basics of investing, and they offer goal-based trading courses that will give you a foundational understanding of fundamental and technical analysis, trading different instruments, and setting up your retirement portfolio. They also provide updated market news with dozens of how-to guides, and you will have access to third-party research, market data, and financial news. And those are some of the top 5 best tradable forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.